Hey guys, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Rashim, aka LT, and I'm back with another unboxing video, guys. So this month I got you a new. No, I don't got you a new box. It is a Geek box, actually. EXP. Look how big this box is. And guess what, guys? Remember when we did Volume 1 like months ago? This is another 3 months that just passed because this is a quarterly box, and or 3 or 4 months maybe. It's a quarterly box, like I said, but this is Volume 2 of this thing. And this thing costs like $65. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, I noticed some of you guys just been unsubscribing to my channel. You know what I have to say about that? Come on, don't leave it, brother. Don't leave me hanging. Guys, I come in and out with all these new shirts. Look at this shirt. Look at this shirt. Dragon Ball Z, baby. Let's go. Come on, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, guys, without further ado, we're going to open up this box. I still can't find the Dragon Blade. I don't know where the Dragon Blade is at. But when I find it, I'm going to bring it to justice. We're still using a Rashim blade. Let's get this. I'm about to cut myself open trying to open up this box. I think I cut it open. Alright, guys. When you open up the box, this is the first thing you guys may see. Okay, it fell. It fell. It fell. That might have been the big card. So you see the card first. But this is what else you're going to see in here. Right? Alright. Let's get it popping. Let's get it right. Let me put the card over here somewhere. And put the box over here. I'm going to knock off all my other stuff that I have here. Okay, Jesus Christ. The box is falling! Okay, I got it. Alright. So, this thing is jam-packed. I could feel like all the stuff in here jam-packed. So the first thing we got, we have a Rick and Morty New Space Cruiser air freshener. Look, Rick and Morty up in here and stuff. It says, just funky air freshener are made from ingredients carefully selected to produce the extinguished atmosphere blend. Now, you usually could smell it, but I can't smell it, so. Wow. It's an air freshener. Well, I'm going to put it in my car so because my Iron Man air freshener is just going and stuff. And this is a Geek EXP exclusive. I mean, EXP exclusive, so that's one. The next thing we have in this box. Oh, snap. This is cool, but this might be the shirt, so I'm not going to open it at all, guys. I'm going to wait until the end like we usually do. Next thing we have in this lovely box is we have Marvel Comics. So it might be a book. It said Canvas Collective. Okay, it's not a book. Silver Age edition. Ooh. Oh. Let's go check what's in here. Oh. Get it? Oh. No, okay, I'm sorry. Alright, let's check what's in here, guys. If I can open this bad boy, dang. They put it in here like somebody gonna steal it. Alright, open it up. Because I think last time we had Wolverine. Please let it be Iron Man. Please let it be Iron Man. Please let it be Iron Man. Okay, guys, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do it. Come out the box. Alright, gee. Okay. It's Spider-Man. Okay. This is cool. I like it. I love it. I love it, actually. Amazingly fantastic Spider-Man. That's cool. That's awesome. Because last time I think we had Wolverine. And I'm still hoping for Iron Man. So this is awesome. Yes, yes, yes. If I have gotten something great like this, I'll always be happy. I can't wait to show my boss. My boss will love Spider-Man. He gonna flip. Alright. The next thing we got in this box is yo, we got some Space Invaders socks. Let's get it, baby. Look at this. Who remember this game? And then on the back it says Space, and I'm pretty sure the other side on the other side, like I said, you can't see it too well, but it does say Invader. Yo, Space Invader, that's what that game. And it's an exclusive, guys. Let's get it. Next thing we have in this box. Oh my god, this was actually worth it. We have Deadpool Unicorn Selfie. And it's X-Force Vibrant. And it's also an exclusive that we have. And it's from Q-Fix. And you know Q-Fix do some good stuff here. Look at that. I'm sorry about that glare. It's sunny where I'm at. I like his white Deadpool outfit and the unicorns around it. He's just taking a selfie with a unicorn Deadpool. And then at the bottom they have his little symbol sign inside of it. That's how he is, right? The back, this is how the actual figure look like, because you know I'm not taking it out the box. That's nice. Even his eyes are like red, too, so it's like, this is cool. Oh yeah. You know we're doing good when we got stuff like that. The next thing we have in the box, oh my god, do we have another one? Oh my goodness, we have Predator. Premium bobblehead. Okay. So Predator. Hey baby, let's get it, let's get it. Hey, this is how the Predator is coming through. Skull, stepping on the skull. Okay, you play no games. You got human hands and a crazy foot. I'm pretty sure you're just an alien. Or a predator, not an alien. Hey, it's crazy. And then, you know, the back of it. Next thing we have in the box. Okay, ooh. This is heavy. We have Super Shaker. So it's a salt and pepper, and it's, I bet you, obviously Mario and Luigi. Because it'd never be like the Super Smash Bros. Without them. You get it. Okay, I got it. Open it up. Styrofoam, my enemy! You see this crap? That's my enemy. I don't like styrofoam. Oh, snap. This is cool. I want to use these, but I have no need for these. Not yet in my life. Okay, look, guys. So, it's Mario's hat, but it got an S, so that means this is the salt side. And it's Luigi's hat, but it got a P, so it's the salt and pepper shaker. So you'd be like, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Mario and Luigi style. That's crazy. Not even sounding like that. You know what I mean? That's cool. I like these. I like these. Yo, Geek Phil, you are so original, though. Come on, man. No, let's give him a round of applause for being original. Okay, I see them. And like I said, I don't like styrofoam because it gets all over the place. Why do you need to be on me? Oh my god. You're not my dad. I'm sorry. Flashbacks. Not even flashbacks. It's just weird. Alright. The next thing we have in the box. And obviously, guys, we get the Steam card, right? And here's our Steam card. I don't know what it is. I don't play Steam games anymore. But I would gladly, like, you know, I'll give you the code. Just hit me up on my Twitter, my Instagram, or my Facebook about what do you want. Or even on my Snapchat on what do you want. And if you want my Snapchat, my Instagram, and my Twitter is usually in my bio. Or if it's not in my bio, then it's going to be, just leave a comment and then I'll give it to you. It's not a problem and stuff. But I usually don't, you know, first come, first serve. You know how it is. I used to show it and whoever sees the video first would get it first. But I seen that was unfair. So it's like I said, first come, first serve. Alright? And that's it inside the box. Look, actually, look at inside the box. It's crazy. And then I noticed that there was two, like, figures. And they probably cut out. So, that's cool. Alright, it's actually really cool in here. So, I guess they're doing something with Geekville. Before we go into the little card, let's check out the shirt. Because, you know, we always forget the shirt. Giant Insect Mansion. Oh, look, it got ear holes in it. That's cool. They put like little ear holes in it, like there's like a real insect thing here. Awesome. Yo, guys, you know what I don't see? We usually get like a Geekville pin, like a little pin for from Geekville. I don't see that this time. Is this something that's gonna be happening now? All right, let's check out the shirt. Oh, great! It's an Ant-Man shirt. Hooray! And it looks like it's baby size. No, it fits me. I thought it was a baby size shirt. Oh, it's Ant-Man. Okay, cool. It's one of his comments. The astonishing Ant-Man. Yeah, I like the design. He's better than Aquaman. But okay, that was a bad joke. Anyway, like I said, I didn't see the pen. We usually get a pen every time. Alright, guys, let's go check out this card and see what is in here, okay? It says Geekville Volume 2 contains spoilers. Okay? Bam. Wow. There was no pen this year. Okay. So we obviously got the Ant-Man shirt. Pine pen ain't easy. It's exclusive. So this shirt. We got this shirt. And guys, yes, it's exclusive. This is an exclusive shirt. We have the Space Invader socks. Good. Good. Let me take them out so I can show you in depth what this is. Got the socks, the Space Invader socks. Nice, right? Okay. We have the Predator, and the Predator we got. Oh man, we got the regular one. There was a one that's it had green ectoplasm on it as the glow in the dark, and it's rare. It's a 500 one. Like it's like out of 500, but we don't have that. We have the regular one. Cool. We have the Deadpool Q figure, also exclusive. The Predator one was also exclusive as well. We got the Steam card, the game exclusive. We have we got the Spider-Man canvas in here as well. We have it's also exclusive. We have the Rick and Morty, which was also exclusive, and we have the Super Smash Brothers, aka the Super Shakers caps and everything. Out of this whole thing, guys, I think it was really great. I like it. I love it all and everything. You know, I like my collectibles. I collect them. Actually, the collection is so big, I think I might need another one, guys. Guys, I told you I got my autograph signature by Michael Jai White. Let me show you this real quick. And on my Facebook, you can check out on my Facebook, I also got a picture with him. Plus, I got the Karate Kid. I got his autograph too. His was a little dicey and expensive. Okay, but yeah. So, guys, like I said, my collection is getting big. I gotta find something else to figure it out, to even it out. But guys, other than that, guys, thank you for watching, guys. I love when you guys come and see how everything turned out and see everything happen so often. I am having another video. It's gonna be a Wish haul. So what I'm gonna do is I ordered matte items off of Wish, and then I'm gonna open them up and just show you guys the quality or like little things. It's nothing shirt wise. It's like more of like a more like something else. Yes. Okay, guys. Thank you for tuning in with me. I'm sorry I'm ranting. More videos are being edited. Can't tell you right now, but you're gonna have to come and see. Tell your friends, tell your pets, tell your animals, tell anybody who have a YouTube. Tell people you see walking on the street, hey, you ever heard of LT Brown? You should go subscribe to him on YouTube. If you have other platforms, tell them about me, guys, because you know I've been here for a while, and you know I do deliver. Okay, it's your boy Rashim, aka LT, and I'm out of here, guys. Peace out, swag.